Lesson 56, multiplying by 3-digit numbers that include 0. So we have 243 times 120. What you can do is multiply everything by 0, and you would just have a row of zeros here. So 3 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0. Or some people skip that step, and I'll show you that at the end. Next, you can move to the 2. So add your 0 placeholder. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. Then move on to the 1 here, and you add 2 zeros to the placeholder because you're multiplying by 100. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. Add those all up. And there you get 29,160. What some people will do, instead of adding that row of zeros, they'll just skip right to the 2. So they'll add their 0 placeholder and they'll start multiplying by the 2 right away. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and then add your 2 zeros for the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. So that's another way to do it. It becomes 11. It becomes 9. Either way, you get the same answer. It's just what you prefer. Here, now we have 243 times 102. So the zero's in the middle spot now here. So a little bit different. Still multiplying the same way. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Now here's where you can either add your row of zeros, so 0, placeholder, and then 0 times 3 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0. Or you could just skip right to the 1, but just make sure you leave your 2 zeros as a placeholder, because now you're multiplying by 100. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. And then you add those up. Oops. And there you have your answer. 24,786. One more example here. During a minor league baseball game, a vendor sold 120 hot dogs for $3.25 each. What amount of money did the vendor collect for the sale of those hot dogs? So you have $3.25 times 120. I'll add my row of zeros. Now I'm on to the 2. 0 as a placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm on to my 1s. 2 zeros for placeholders. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Add those up. Make sure that decimal here gets dropped down. It stays in its spot. So $390 is the amount of money that the vendor collected. Here's what your lesson practice looks like. Make sure you're careful and follow those steps.